Hello, my name is Floris van Leeuwen, and today I will be your brand strategist for the brand Marlene Mendes. I have been asked to thoroughly investigate the brand, organization, and market. This will allow me to find a potential opportunity to strengthen the brand's equity. Let's take a look at the positioning. It is important to realize in what age of brand Marlene Mendes finds herself. Right now, that's the second age, the age of acceleration. The sales increase, customer acquisition increase, and it's also known as the age of growth. Marlene Mendes is a personal brand that aims to help working women from the age of 28 to 55 that speak Portuguese and want to change their lives but don't know how. Then we have to look at competitors. The client doesn't really believe there are competitors, and if there are competitors, then it would be cheaper food supplement brands. I try to find direct and indirect competitors for lifestyle coaching and supplements, since it's important to explore your competitors, and that way you can distinguish yourself. So we have Numi. They offer life coaching both in English and Portuguese, and for both men and women. We have My Protein International player in food supplements, just like bulk powder. Then we have Cabao Lifestyle, and that's international orientated women lifestyle coaching. And in the left bottom corner we have Mendes. Before we can look at possible opportunities, it is helpful to take a look at the brand identity and the core business. Marlene Mendes helps women by guiding them to achieve living a healthier life. She does that by handing her customers the tools to become a happier and healthier version of themselves. The tools are personalized diet schemes that fit in clients' goals, providing a whole community with exercises to reach the goals of the challenges. Challenges are 10 days weight loss and 90 days of total change. I'm a woman VIP, also known. Throughout the whole process, Marlene guides her customers in a very personal and direct way of communication. To dive a little deeper in the brand identity, we're going to take a look at the brand identity prism. I already treated physique, so let's go to personality of the brand. That is reliable, healthy, empowering, evolution, and inspiring. The relationship with its customers, reliable, challenging, friendly, open, and personal. The most important part of culture is the fact that Marlene already walked the path of her clients, so she is experienced in how to deal with problems, and she will be on your side every moment. Reflection keywords are feminine, transformation, and happy with self-image. It is important to realize the urge to belong to a community and to make customers feel special. So let's take a look at the opportunities with archetypes. By filling in the psychology-driven quiz by Kay Putnam, I could discover what the archetype of your brand is. In this way, you can discover what kind of brand personality you are and how you can reach your customers in the best suited way. Your brand personality is the girl next door, or everyman. It is important to create a real connection and friendship with your audience. You can boost that connection by posting more normal parts of your life, and to create more brand loyalty and maintain your customers is very important. So in this part, I see huge potential to dive deeper in and explore how you can serve your clients in their needs. In the right scheme, you can see how the customer loyalty increases when the bond between customer and brand increases. So I also see potential to explore your options in developing that personal brand that is already strong, but to distinguish yourself more with your customers. And now we get the SWOT analysis. So if you take a look at opportunities, we see two very important parts. By putting emphasis on your journey on becoming a better and healthier person, you can create trust and build a connection with your clients. Your journey becomes a beacon for the organization and defines the intent in which the brand reaches out to people. With this opportunity, you can create brand differentiation. So you're putting the emphasis on the brand narrative. Also, we can see an opportunity in the further development of things becoming more and more online. You might want to dive deeper in developing your channels where you communicate with your clients, like your social media and website. In this way, you can guide more clients online instead of in real life. Thank you. This was my presentation.